Alright, so boom, it's a perfect hairline wig install I'm about to do for y'all. Alright, so right now we taking it out the package. You see it? Alright, this a wig. It's a 22-inch Freya, one of them. Alright, yeah, that's dope. I like the colors. Y'all see them colors? Flip that tag over. Look at it. Pick it up. Oh, you see them motherfucking curls? You see it? Yeah. Yeah, check that out. Alright, so I done got it out that fishnet. Y'all see my motherfucking cornrow? Yeah, don't pay attention how I look now. I'm about to be on fleek in just a minute. Alright, so right now I'm putting some white stuff on my edges. I'm gonna brush that down, make my baby hairs. Y'all know how we do. Yeah. Okay, now I'm putting on my helmet piece. This gonna go under the wig. Alright, it's gonna keep all your shit in place. Okay. Alright, now I'm moisturizing the ends. And you gotta make sure you moisturize it good, but don't cover up. Okay, maybe cover up your baby hairs a little bit, but not all the way. Alright. Looking for something. Boom, I found it. Alright, this is glue. I know this for sure. Alright, so what you want to do is put that around the edge of your baby hairs. Okay. Um, and then you're going to get this little comb thing and you're going to comb it into your baby hairs. Okay. Comb the glue into your baby hairs. Peace. Okay. Now, fast forward a little bit. What I did was I pulled the wig piece over my stocking cap and I got this little lace front and I'm combing my hair back. Okay, so right now it look crazy, but don't worry about how I look right now. I'm gonna fix that. Alright, so I'm cutting an ear hole out from my helmet so that your ears can hear what they need to hear. Okay, and yeah, also you gotta leave a little space for your sideburn baby hairs to come down. So you want to make sure that you got the space for that. Okay, other ear hole. I just did this so y'all know what the hell going on right here. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna tuck that back there. Press it down. I'm gonna press it down real good to make that glue stick, and then I'm gonna put this old Nike headband on that I done had for 8 years. Okay, pieces. Alright, boom, I just let that lay down for a minute. Now I'm gonna cut the lace front off. Uh, I guess where the Nike headband then laid down my hair. You want it on the edge, basically. You don't want no extra lace showing. Okay, so boom, we cut that off. Alright, a little extra piece, got that going. Alright, so now we're gonna glue that little piece down. Alright, glue that little piece down so your helmet won't be coming off. Alright, I don't know where I got these strings from. Maybe I pulled them from the back. I don't know, but boom, y'all see it. Make sure y'all subscribe, leave a comment, like, follow, and all that other stuff. Thank you. Alright, you see me right now cutting off the this what I'm gonna use to make my unofficial baby hairs and sideburns. Alright. Y'all see me, I got the gel and I'm making the swoop. Alright. Make sure your swoop is believable. You don't want it to be half of your forehead like I be seeing some of y'all do. Alright. Okay. And the swoop on the other side. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. Okay, put some more gel on there so we can do these sideburns. Y'all know we like the sideburns with a little swoop too. Okay, let me go and fix that. Mm, mm. Yeah. I remember at the beginning of the video looking kind of shaky. Look at me now. Yeah. Yeah. Slicking them down. Swooping them motherfucking bangs. Okay, now I'm spraying some stuff on there. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna put that Nike headband back on so we can let that lay down. Alright, fast forward, y'all see me, I'm getting ready to do my eyebrows. This gonna be a complete look for y'all. I thought it was just gonna be an install, but I'm giving y'all everything. Alright, make sure y'all draw a good first layer of your eyebrows now. You want this to be nice and thick because you can always come back and shape them how you want to, I think. Alright, so wipe that off. I got a little carried away. Alright, so we're going to shade that piece in right there. Alright, now I'm knocking out two at the same time. I seen some of y'all do one at a time. Y'all ain't talented as me, and that's okay. Take your time. Alright, now I got a brush or something like that, so I'm going to brush my eyebrows into the other ones that I drew on, right, so it can look all mine. Okay. Now right now I got a Anthony Davis going on, but I'm gonna cut some of that middle out. Don't worry about it. So right now I'm going with some I think this is makeup, and I'm just getting the shape of the eyebrows down. Okay, that's why I told you you can make that black thicker, and that's okay, because we're gonna color all that out. All right. So once you get the shape you want on the bottom, then you can move to the top. Alright, and it still got the AD going on, the unibrow, but don't worry about that. We're gonna fix that. This just make it easier when you do one piece instead of doing two separate pieces. Alright, so right now I'm still shaping. Okay. Yes. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. It's coming together. You can't see the finished product yet, but you can see where we headed. Alright, so you get them ends rounded off. Alright, it was hard for me to choose what side to go to, but yeah, y'all see me, I got it. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm looking for something. Okay, I found it. Okay, we're gonna color this in with some eyeshadow stuff. Alright, boom. Okay, now we almost finished here. Alright, this is another brush. It's not the same as the first brush, so don't get these confused. Y'all see me erasing the middle of the unibrow now, so it can look like two separate eyebrows instead of one whole eyebrow. Alright, so now you just want to blend it in so it look like your natural complexion. Alright, we're gonna get these. Sometimes you gotta hold your eyebrows up so you can make sure you get all of the space in between your eyebrows and your eyes. And now you see I'm deleting that run-on sentence that was in the middle of my forehead in between my eyebrows. Okay. Alright, check me out. Boom, boom. Alright, so now I'm doing mascara. I think this is called mascara. Alright, so eyeliner stuff. Alright, and what this does is it just, you know, it makes the around your eye darker so they can pop. They can pop more. Alright. Okay, now I'm putting on some eyelashes. Alright, I got that one done real quick. Alright, y'all see me? Okay, got the other one done. Well, I'm kind of crying a little bit. Got to fan myself. Y'all see me. Oh, he gonna say he gonna tell me I'm sexy when he see me. I already know. I'm sexy right now. Alright, now this right here is when you put the makeup on. I'm looking for something. Hold on. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. I had to find my little fan brush thing. Alright, so this is called blush. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the big brush, and this is brushing the blush in. Alright. Alright, now I'll put my lip liner on. I like to go with black. Okay, I seen some of y'all be wearing all these exotic colors. That's cool, do you? Alright, now I'm gonna take this headband. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. You see me. You see me. Yeah. I gotta brush it a little bit because I want it to sit how I want it to sit. Y'all see these waves? I'm wavy. I'm wavy. Boom. Boom. Yeah. My man helped me pick this wig out, by the way. Alright, this right here is just adding some makeup to the, like where the part is in the wig, so it can look like my head and not the color of the lace. Okay, there we go. Y'all, I look good, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see me put a little part in that thing. Comb it this way and that way. Pieces. Pieces. Yeah. Alright, and what I'm doing right now is I'm putting another part in here because I didn't like where that part was. I want it to be more in the middle. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Peekaboo. Alright, so what I'm doing now is a little braid. I think I might take this braid out, but right now I'm just doing this little braid, and the reason is I think I want to tie it in the back, maybe. We'll see. Alright, you cute. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. These are real easy. Everybody know how to do these. Y'all see how I'm holding my jaw like that? This is like typical for every girl in the world, so don't worry about that. Alright, gotta put a little, what is that? I don't know what that is, but I had to put it in my part. I think it make it stay there or something. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some different color stuff right here to make it, give it that you see how the hair look blonde on the ends and then a different color in the middle. Yeah, that's what I just did with that. Yeah, yeah, we cute. Yeah, I like it. Kisses. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Peace. Bye.